All right, so just got back from the doctor and they loaded me up with a bunch of bad news, of course. High cholesterol, my HDL, my LDL all jacked up, high blood sugar, high glucose levels. So my type 2 diabetes have returned worse than ever, worse than it was before. In the past, I was able to manage it through diet, but it was a yo-yo diet. So I had it under control one day and out of control the next. And so now it's come back with a vengeance. Fingers, little numb tips, fingers, toes and feet, the bottom of my feet are itching real bad and feel like I'm pricked with needles and stuff. And it's getting bad. Kidney disease, high blood pressure, high cholesterol. I'm taking 4 medications for the blood pressure alone just to be able to keep it at a manageable state. And quite frankly, man, I'm tired. I'm tired of all of this. I'm tired of the medicines, the way they make me feel. And the itching that I have on my feet, I just feel my body is getting worse and worse on the inside when I consume certain foods. So this food literally is poison. It's killing us. And each bite we take, we're making it worse for ourselves. And now I'm ready to finally do something about it. I have 5 children. I've spent a fortune raising them and taking care of them, putting time, money, and resources into their lives. And I want to be around to watch and see what they become. It doesn't make, and I want to be healthy as they continue to get older, when they start to have children and give me grandchildren. I want to be able to play with them. But if I continue eating this poison, this food that we call poison, if I continue to eat that, I'm going to progressively get worse and worse and worse. And I already feel it. So I've changed my diet. I started to change it. Well, I wouldn't even call it a diet because now this is a lifestyle. I realize I'm going to have to go an entirely different route if I want to live. People my age in their 40s, they're dropping dead every day from heart attacks. They're dropping dead from strokes or having strokes and not able to fully recover. And I don't want that. I can stop it. So I went out, spent a few $100s buying all types of books. So for example, these are experts, The End of Heart Disease, and I am going to take a plant-based approach to my lifestyle where I consume fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, legumes, beans, and all types of stuff like that. I'm going the plant-based route because the stuff that I've been eating, which consisted of lots of meats and lots of processed foods and lots of other bad stuff, hasn't been working. I've been overweight my entire life, and now I'm ready to get rid of it. So this book here, The End of Diabetes, I followed the guidelines in this book probably, I can't remember how many years ago, but when I first got diagnosed with diabetes, this got me out of it. I was able to reverse it with the principles in this book. So I know diet can change everything. The pain went away and all of that. This book here by Michael Greger, he's a medical doctor, How Not to Die, discover the foods scientifically proven to prevent and reverse disease. So we can literally change it and reverse it and fix it, but we have to be disciplined to follow the plan or alter our lifestyle. So this is a lifestyle change for me because it's important that I'm around and I want to be here. I want to be a healthy person that's here. Got a lot of money and time invested in these kids of mine, and I want to see what my investment return. I want to see my grandbabies. And the only way I'm going to be able to do that is I have to stop doing what I do now. Because right now I can go eat something that I know I'm not supposed to eat, and immediately, minutes later, I'm itching, my body's itching, so I know the food is literally causing that. It's poison, 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 poison. And we need to leave it alone because it's literally killing us. I'm learning some stuff about the food industry that I hadn't known before. They ain't our friend. They're out for profit. They're out to get us. They're making us sick. They're putting this stuff in our food that causes cancer, and they market it as healthy food. So I'm gonna bust them wide open. So follow along if you're ready to get control of your health and start to reverse some of the stuff and issues and diseases that you're dealing with. Follow along, because I'm gonna document everything that I got going on. I'm gonna measure my blood sugar. Throughout the week, I'm gonna measure my blood sugar. I'm gonna weigh in. I'm gonna show you the foods that I'm making, because I'm learning about plant-based. This is new, not new, but new in terms of doing it consistently and living on it. Probably most likely for the rest of my life, and I'm ready to do that, because clearly what I've been doing the last 40-some years, 45 years, ain't working out. So follow along, subscribe to my channel. I got a link to my website. You can opt in and subscribe there. And I'll update you, send you emails and recipes on what I'm doing, and different things that you can do to get control of your health. I'm Cartez Ross. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.